All right, guys. So today I'm gonna scream at you. I'm not gonna scream. Ah! No, I'm not gonna do that. But I probably have to talk louder because I figured out with my phone or with any phone that if you're on the back of it, it'll hear you real good. Like if Mom is chewing gum or if she's talking right now, which she's recording right now, then it would hear it. Look, you hear that probably more clear than you hear me because I'm on the outside where the mic's not. So like you hear that interference. So I don't know what's up with that or what's up with my speaking right now. Anyways, guys, today I'm gonna do something special. I have my tie-dye shirt on, but you see it's not my new tie-dye shirt that fits me. It's my old one because I'm about to tie-dye a shirt and I don't want to get it dirty, you know what I mean? So I'm wearing my old school big tie-dye shirt because I've lost a lot of weight. Hopefully I don't gain it all back. But I went to a tie-dye store and I did a pretty awesome Bigfoot shirt. It was kind of blue, similar to this, and it's actually a 1X and it fits me. That's pretty awesome. But I figured, hey, I want to tie-dye my own shirt. I've done this at Vacation Bible School a while back. I wish I could find that shirt. It was like camo or something. And I'm not the greatest, but we're going to attempt this, and I'll tell you the special reason of what this shirt's going to be involved with on my channel after we, start the process. But I'm going to do a spiral, okay? Ah, I heard a bee. Alright, look at this. This is pretty good. And then I'm going to cup it like this. Alright, I'm going to hit pause because I got it cupped, and there's really nothing I can do because I don't have the rubber bands close to me, okay? Alright, so we paused it. I got Mom's help with the rubber bands because it's hard to just get it right, so we teamworked it. We tag teamed it, put it down. Alright, I got the simple pack. I didn't show you the little pack I got from Walmart, but it was like a $6 maybe. I don't know, little one, but it had turquoise. Oh my gosh, I'm Smurf bleeding. Don't die me. Alright, time out, guys. This is a fail. Don't kill me. I don't want to be stained like a Smurf the rest of my life. Alright, guys. We're having technical difficulties. I was about to make a joke. This is what freaking Michael Jackson did, ain't it? He died himself. Alright. Oh my gosh. Is this permanent? I hope not. Alright, anyway, something about dyeing eggs, I was going to say that, and I was going to say, like, off grown-ups, they said they was making a sissy. Well, that's what my arm did. But, I don't know. Alright, sorry about that. Technical difficulties, okay, guys? First, I ripped my glove over here. Speaking of Michael Jackson, I ripped the glove. It's not one size fits all. It's one size fits most, and not me. I'm not the most. And, I'm the most sexy, right? Anyways, I didn't want that stain on my arm, but I got the pack with the turquoise, the blue, the red, red, white, and blue. But this is going to be like I don't have white, okay? But anyways, 4th of July was just recently. But I carved a pumpkin on a live stream, and now I'm doing a tie-dye shirt. So all these little things that most people's done, and over here I'm ignorant, and I'm doing it on video for y'all to laugh and watch. But I'm going to tie-dye this shirt. So, let's see. Okay, well, there's the start, guys. It says don't oversaturate it. Now I feel like I'm just sprinkling salt on it. Okay, I don't think we're going to be able to save this, but I might bring out some other shirt and tie-dye it as well. You know what? This is just going to be a sexy mess. That's what we're going to call it, okay? A sexy mess. Yeah, let me get this part right here. We like blue, but for tie-dye, you have to have different colors. So, we're going to start with some red, okay? But it's leaking, so that's why we can't see. Ooh, I'm missing, man. I see all these kids that... Oh, no! I hit the wrong part. Man, I done screwed up. You hear my belly? Man, this is hard to get in one spot. After this, I got a fabric marker, and I'm going to write JDB-on-3 on it. And it's going to end up being a part of my channel picture, because I'm going to wear this shirt with the JDB-on-3 on it with my monkey mask on probably, because that's my new mascot pretty much. And that's going to be the picture for my shirt, and it's going to say "Keep Your Belt On," and have my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be pretty cool. But we look like we're over here making Kool-Aid or something. I could probably mix these colors and make. That's dark blue. I don't know, man. I don't like that dark blue. I like this blue. This blue is pretty cool. You could probably mix and match. I'm getting it everywhere, but hey, that's what it's authentic, man. Can't buy this from a store. This is a JDB-on-3 official right here. Missing half the thing. We're probably wasting some tie-dye. We could use these for other shirts as well, but it's alright. Better get my big shirt that's flopping everywhere out the way. Soak it. Get it on the side right there. We'll need some blue over here, since I done added the blue a little bit. But I don't want too much of this dark blue. I want it light so I can do the black fabric ink of the JDB-on-3. Some of the people, these tie-dye officials, know how to do this better than I do. They're probably sitting back laughing at me like, "Josh, you nitwit. Hey, we could do red, white, and blue. I just leave some of it white." Hey, that's an idea. Alright, what do we need any more of one color? More color? Alright. They said more color, so. Alright. Man, that swirl's gonna be. You don't like the white? Let's see. Little sprinkles of white, maybe. Alright, so I don't know if that's enough. I like the light blue parts of it. I kind of wish I would have done it more. I got the dark blue and the red going on a little too much in it, so it made it kind of darker, not as bright as I liked it right there. But we're going to put this in a bag, and we're going to see the finished product, and hopefully it's not white, and I can hopefully have a place I can draw JDB-on-3 without it being too dark. But hopefully it worked out, guys. So we'll see. We'll hit pause and come back. Alright, so I got the thing bagged, and hopefully experiment 626 turns out pretty good. I don't know, the wind's blowing, so that's a sign that it's time to end with this section of the video. But in 8 hours for me, and probably 8 seconds for you, I will come back with the grand product. Well, until I add JDB-on-3 with the fabric marker, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So, we'll see. Alright, so as you can see, I got on something completely different. The sun's in my eye, so I really can't see the video. I'm just looking down. I'm hoping this is capturing it. But as you can see, what I have on is not the tie-dye shirt that I tie-dyed. Okay? Well, that's a lie. It is a shirt I tie-dyed, but it's not the one I showed on video. After the video, off camera, I had some leftover tie-dye. With my money, I like to get the use of all of it. So I had some tie-dye left that wouldn't be good if I saved it. It was dripping and leaking. So I grabbed a random white t-shirt that was like a smaller 2X that I just hadn't worn a while, and I spread all the paint on it, and I didn't really even try to do a spiral on it, and this is how it turned out. So that's pretty cool. Some white spots in it. That's pretty cool. It looks like red, white, and blue 4th of July. I'm wearing my little bandana on right now. This is the shirt we actually tie-dyed for the video. Okay? This is how it turned out. Maybe, do I got this backwards? Yeah, I got it backwards. Of course I got it backwards. Some of the red didn't get as bright as I'd liked it to, kind of faded. But for my first time tie-dyeing, I think these two turned out pretty awesome. Now, for the final touch on this, like I said, I'm gonna hit pause on this video. I'm gonna write JDB on 3 with a fabric marker on this, and I'm gonna wear this with probably my monkey hat or something and take a picture, and then I'm gonna do some editing and add some overlay captions and stuff like that, all of the designs, and that's gonna end up becoming my official shirt design for my channel and my mascot kind of thing. I'm gonna have maybe just myself, or maybe put the mascot monkey hat on. I'm not sure what I should do. I should save that for another video and let y'all comment for the shirt designs, or I'll probably just do a picture of both of the shirt designs and then show y'all and let y'all vote on it. That'd be better to do. But we're gonna hit pause. We're gonna go write JDB on 3 on it. Alright guys, so I showed you the tie-dye, and with the help of my trusty fabric marker, I put JDB on 3 on it. So guys, that is pretty awesome. If you like this video of me tie-dyeing my first shirt or shirt, then make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for seeing the pictures of me that I edit of the shirts, of the custom ink or the whatever shirt, not custom ink, Vistaprint, either one of the two on whatever shirt design maker I make, because I'm going to make me a shirt design that has a picture of me wearing this shirt. I know it's crazy. A picture of me wearing this shirt that I made, and then adding a caption to it and making a whole nother design shirt. It's all complex, guys, but if you don't know what I'm talking about, you will see in the future. But thanks for joining me on this tie-dye adventure, and as always, keep your belt on. The road may get bumpy, and you may end up tie-dyeing a shirt and putting JDB13 on it. Well, you wouldn't put JDB13 on it, you'll put your initials on it, but you know what I mean. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so today is something very special. I don't know what them cats are doing.